What's up, guys? Today I'm going to remodel my closet, or possibly tomorrow. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but first I have to dismantle my old closet system, and then I'm going to go to the Container Store and pick up the Elfa shelving which I ordered. So let's do this. This is my closet as it is right now. Basically, I have to take out all of this stuff and all of this. So first I have to take all of this stuff out. I just have to get this into there. So now I have just mayhem. We're gonna start some demolition. I need tools. I watched a video and hopefully I'm not forgetting anything, but I think I have the stuff that I need. Screwdriver, hammer, spackling knife, utility knife, crowbar, which isn't a real crowbar, it's a prying bar, but that's all I could find at Walmart. So first thing, to take these brackets out, and also these. So I thought that I just was not going to be able to get these out, these last screws, and sometimes you just need to get a new screwdriver head to make it work. I am going to just go to the next step because this is just really holding it to the cleats. These are called cleats. And so I can take the shelves off and then worry about the brackets after that. Next step, you'll have to take the utility knife and cut the caulking around everything because it's all sealed in there. So I cut it and then I can knock out those shelves. As you can see, it's just screws it in there. This one is particularly stubborn. And then these just screwed in to hold the bar. So I'll cut the caulking all along there and around everything. I'm gonna test it out first time, just down here. Oh, kind of migrated into the wood there at the end. Okay, well, I get the idea. So I cut it all around this little shelf. I'm gonna just go ahead and go to the next step for this shelf just to see if that works. And then probably fast forward to once I get all of the shelves off. It's hammer time. Hopefully this comes off. Oh, shoot. Oh my God. I need to cut the bottom part. Let's try this again. Getting some space coming up, a tiny bit. Let's go. Oh God. It's like creating a little gap Whew. Yes! Next step is pry the cleats off. Okay, I got all the shelves off and I grabbed my drill so I can get the brackets off because they're actually in the studs. Once I get the screws out, I'll pry off the cleats and then we'll scrape off the caulking and then fix up the walls. Cleats are off. I'm gonna scrape off the rest of the caulking and then I'll fill in the holes. Oh, I'm doing nails I gotta take out too. And then I just have to paint it and get ready for the new closet to come in. Painting took a little bit longer than I expected, but I still have probably like 4 hours till I want to go to bed. But I'm gonna go get the Elfa stuff from the Container Store. I just got back from the store. There's a lot of stuff. Lot of hardware. This is gonna be the big bar that goes, basically it's like a big bar across the top and long vertical bars on which you hang everything else. That's what we're gonna do now. So definitely making some progress, but I am going to go eat some dinner and finish this project tomorrow. Bye. The top bar of one section is already up with the vertical bars, so probably, honestly, the next thing I'm gonna do is just get that set up all around and then start putting in the shelves and other parts of the closet. So let's do this. So now I have to put the bar up on that side of the closet, and then I'm gonna start hanging things. I am warm. It is warm in here. So I'll come back when I'm about to start putting stuff on the wall.
so happy. I'm so glad it's finally done. It's been like a long day and a half, but it's gonna be so nice. Way better than how it was before. Yeah, so there you have it. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.